If you are looking for awesome kitchen gadgets on a deal price, you are at the right place. These 5 Amazon kitchen gadget deals are simply unmissable. Let's get right into them. At the number 5 spot is the Dashsafe Slice. It gives you a safe way to slice without your fingers or hands getting close to the blade. It allows for various cuts, including diced, julienne, and shoestring. Now priced at $29, down from $39, you get a 25% discount. With precision cutting, you can achieve paper-thin slices by adjusting the back dial to choose from 40 thickness levels. It's dishwasher safe on the top rack or can be hand-washed with the included detail brush. The device folds for easy storage. Remember, all links are in the description below. The soon-neat kitchen sink caddy, ranked 4th, is a practical solution for keeping your kitchen countertop tidy. Featuring a quick drain tray, it simplifies cleanup and is built to resist corrosion from common oxidizing acids. Dishwasher safe, it offers convenience and durability. Now priced at $17, down from $34, it comes with a 50% discount. Measuring 4 inches or more, it provides ample space for organizing kitchen essentials. The product is backed by a satisfaction guarantee, ensuring customer happiness. The Nikkier oil sprayer ranks 3rd, featuring a food-grade glass body and stainless steel nozzle, completely BPA-free. Priced at $8, down from $11, it comes with a 29% discount. For optimal spray performance, conduct an initial spray test with water. The product includes a small funnel for easy oil filling and an anti-slip texture for convenient handling. Its built-in nozzle prevents dust contamination, making it ideal for various cooking scenarios and enhancing your culinary experience. The Meiruby Lighter electric candle lighter holds the 2nd spot, offering a unique spark and smell-free ignition experience. Now priced at $6, down from $9, it comes with a 30% discount. This versatile arc lighter lights candles in just 0.8 seconds and is perfect for various uses, including as a camping, barbecue, kitchen, torch, or fireplace lighter. Designed with wind and splash-proof features, it's suitable for outdoor activities like camping and hiking. The Geedel Rotary cheese grater takes the number 1 spot in our list. It is a versatile kitchen tool, ideal for grating and slicing various ingredients like potatoes, cucumbers, cheese, and nuts. It comes with a 42% discount, now priced at $23, down from $39. The grater features a tilted transparent barrel for smooth operation and includes a pusher for safety. Made from BPA-free, baby food-grade materials, it ensures safe food preparation. Easy to use, it requires just 3 simple steps to set up and start grating. That's it for this countdown of the 5 best Amazon kitchen gadget deals. We hope you like these cool gadgets. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. And also, do leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below.